Manufacture quality parts, reduce programming time, and win more business with Autodesk Inventor CAM. Our fully integrated CAM software runs right inside Inventor, so you can create toolpath in the same space that you design parts and work holding. From simple machining to complex parts, our solution includes 5-axis milling, mill turn, and turning. Inventor CAM helps you manufacture quality parts every time. Autodesk Inventor CAM lets you program 2.5-axis prismatic parts for free, while for more complex parts, 3 and 5-axis CAM offer streamlined, intelligent workflows that dramatically reduce programming time. Autodesk Inventor CAM also includes adaptive clearing, the industry-leading high-speed roughing strategy that reduces cycle time and extends tool life. And with high-speed finishing strategies, producing top-quality surface finishes, you can ship parts right from the shop floor. With complete post-processors already available for most machines and new ones always being created, you are able to machine parts right from the box. Also, leverage built-in collision detection and simulation tools to give you the confidence to run unattended. Autodesk Inventor CAM offers the most effective tools to grow your business. Get started with seamless CAD and CAM integration, best-in-class performance, and manufacturing of your parts today.